on my phone. Here is the max velocity right here.
Should be done well before Saturday. As we get closer to 3 to 6 o'clock, that is when freezing rain is going to stretch all the way from Nashville back towards Lubbock, Texas. So DFW, Little Rock.
Okay, so let's see. We just upgraded our radar. We just got Alpha, guys. We just got Alpha on my new radar Omega here. We just got Alpha, so we have a massive 250 frames. So I'm going to hop on my live stream, make sure everything's working right after I get done watching Max Velocity here. And then we will get into the models, and I'll show you what's going on exactly for about Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and part of Sunday is when our major winter event is. And what you can see you can see anywhere through here, the Fort Worth area, anywhere in the Midwest, stretching down all the way over to Arizona, which is very surprising. Over in this area, right here, let me get this pin here. Over in this area, you can see power outages for up to 3 weeks because you can have so much snow. But I think most of the people down here are actually worrying a lot, because the reason they're worrying is because there's a lot of ice is going to drop there. Up to what I'm seeing on the accumulation is about 2 inches, 1.5, 2 inches there. Anywhere in this area, really. Maybe stretching down a little more here. That's where you're gonna see this major ice there, down in southern Illinois, over in the Wichita, Kansas, Springfield, Missouri, St. Louis, Bowling Green, Memphis, Oklahoma City, maybe. There's only one county in Oklahoma that's actually not in this winter watch, and it's like this one right here on the Panhandle. Now let me go get the models here, like the winter weather.
Freezing temperatures. They'll be stretching across most of Alabama, back into southern Mississippi, and even southern Louisiana. That's kind of a little warm sector that we're going to have developing here, and that could create more intense icing on the backside of this low pressure system throughout the daytime on Sunday across areas like Nashville.
I'm looking for watches. I do not know how to get watches on here.
Likely still have freezing rain during the daytime on Sunday. And then further off to the west, some light snow will continue over in parts of North Texas and southeast Oklahoma. And then significant snow will ramp up in Ohio, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, New York, and southern New England. We could even have upwards of 2 inches of snow falling per hour back over in New York City. And then freezing rain will continue across Virginia, North Carolina, and all that. So it's just going to continue to have ice happening in those areas. By Sunday night is...
Oh, wow. There we go, guys.
We'll be talking about a pretty significant winter storm across the northeast.
Oh, that's our winter storm watch. What we're seeing here is like, over there, like I said, it's actually kind of surprising here. Where is, see, Oklahoma, there's only one county here. One county.
Just a couple of years ago. And then on Monday, the snow will continue across the northeast.
And on Monday, the snow will, go across the northeast here. So, this is going to be a huge winter storm, probably the biggest in at least 2 years. Probably the biggest winter storm in 2 years, guys. Probably the biggest winter storm in about 2 years, guys. So, we're going to go to the models now here. We're going to go to the models, and we're going to go to pivotal weather. Pivotal weather here. We're going to go to pivotal weather. And let's see here. Pivotal weather, we're going to go to probably... well, we're going to look at ice accumulation first. So we're going to go to the NAM model here. Let's see how long Max Velocity has been live here. He's been live for over 20 minutes, guys. That is major for Max Velocity, just for an update. Okay, here's our NAM model. Let me go to winter weather here. Okay, winter weather.
I just wanted to throw that out there because, again,
there we go.
Table. We are still 2 days
ice.
so things will continue to change. But generally speaking, again, if you're back over here in the Southern Plains, the Mid-Atlantic, and even back into the Ohio Valley and Southeast, I would be staying.
Guys, why am I not seeing you?
Things are going to continue to change over the next couple of days, but you should be preparing right now for an ice storm, a winter storm, depending on where you are, because that is what we're going to be experiencing. Doesn't really matter where you are. It's better to be safe than sorry. You do not want to be that person that all of a sudden Friday morning wakes up and you're in a rain area here on the map.
All right. That's when it goes on to the northeast.
See rain, at least according to the models, and then all of a sudden, as we go into tomorrow night or Friday morning, you wake up and you're in an ice storm warning or something like that, right? I'm not saying that's going to happen in Houston, by the way, but you don't want to be that person that's caught off guard. So just be ready. Have preparations ready.
Probably GFS is a
now let's start to talk about the snowfall. Let's talk about the ice accumulation. Kind of go into detail there, and then again we'll go way more detail about other stuff as well, including cities and stuff like that.
Here we go.
So this right here is the probability of seeing greater than 1 inch of snow here for the next 5 to 7 days. If you're anywhere in the dark red, you're going to see snow. All right, there's basically no way that's changing. So Texas Panhandle, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Kentucky, congratulations.
Oh, yeah, there we go. But that's not picking up very good.
Tennessee, Kentucky. It's over a 90% chance. It's hardly... There's no chance you're not going to see snow in those areas.
Okay, yeah. So this is where it's going to start. It's going to start up in Nebraska here. It's coming down from this jet stream here on this trough here. It's going to grow, and it's going to go through this area, and it's just going to go straight back up here, guys. So we're going to keep going through these hours here. And as you can see, it's going to go straight back up, and it's growing there. But this is showing Saturday. This is a little off, guys. This is a little late. But tomorrow it's going to be out in this area here. It's going to be in that area there tomorrow. But we can see it down there in the Fort Worth area. Fort Worth, Texas. We can see it growing there. So we're just going to see it. And it's going to band out there, and it's going to go straight like this. So we're just going to keep watching this. Here we go. So here's where you're seeing this. This is where you're seeing this ice accumulation there. This is where you're seeing this ice accumulation here.
Even if you don't like snow, most of these areas do not see snow that often. I'm just saying, I think snow is fun. I think the ice is terrible. So let's talk about the fun stuff before we actually get into the serious ice stuff. In terms of snowfall, in terms of seeing over a foot of snow, the probabilities are right around 30 to 40% in northwestern Arkansas. So that includes.
Here we go. So it's kind of like just kind of straight across the U.S. and it's down the Fort Worth area. There's a lot of ice, so that's why mainly people are worried down in the Fort Worth area, Arkansas, part of southern Illinois, Kentucky, Tennessee, Virginia. See, it's starting to bend up here. And this is on Sunday. Sunday, it's starting to bend up here.
And if you want to get really crazy, these are the probabilities of seeing over 18 inches.
See, it's going up, but it's actually a little stronger looking here.
That's over the Appalachian Mountains. So there's a very low chance across the board. I think I see maybe a speck over here in Kentucky. So I mean, if you're over here in Southern Kentucky,
probably by
6 or 7% chance. It's not very
Monday, it's still going up there.
Maybe seeing a bit more snowfall than the rest, but again, across
I'd say.
you see some locations over 12 inches of snowfall.
I'd say.
Accumulation and kind of break down what we're thinking in terms
Yeah,
of
this is very off. Very off, guys. This is very off.
I do think Oklahoma, Texas Panhandle, Northern Arkansas,
Here's a good
Missouri, Southern Illinois, all of you guys are going to likely see significant
This
snowfall.
is one of my
And if you see the
favorite
pinks, and
models
if you look at the key on
for
the
snow,
screen,
for
this is
snow
over 10
accumulation.
inches of snow. So we are going to have a large swath of over 10 inches of snow stretching from Oklahoma
I
City.
don't have anything on here.
Ohio,
It's stupid.
New England.
Oh, I gotta have Pivotal Weather Plus. We don't need Pivotal Weather Plus to just get an estimation. See, it's troughing up. This is a little more accurate on Monday. It's troughing up way more than that other model was. Unfortunately, we cannot see the ice unless we have Pitbull 11 Plus. So we will not be able to see that until at some point I get Pitbull 11 Plus here. Let's see, it's just bending out here. It's bending out a bunch right here. It's going straight up towards New York, Ohio area. And you just make sure to have generators ready, heaters, charge phones. You want portable chargers, because you can see power outages up from a week, 5 days to a week, to about 3 weeks. And if that happens, just make sure to stock up on food, guys, and have a good day.